Hello everyone, welcome to GlitchSip, and in this video I am going to show you how we are going to be able to get what would be the Butcher glove in this game. So for that we are going to have to look for it, which would be this glove right here. It is this one here, and well, we are going to be able to obtain it with an amount of 55,000 slaps. So we are going to look for it so you can observe what the appearance of this glove is like. Let's see if we find it around here. Let's see if we have it here or if we pass it, because yes, it is a bit complicated to observe after the incredible amount of gloves that we have, right? And it is not here. It has to be around here somewhere. It is a glove that has a knife. Let's see, it cannot be that complicated to find, because as you can see, apparently I am a little blind because I really can't find it. So let's clear up those doubts. It is a new glove that has been added in the latest update, so let's see if we find it nearby. And as we can observe, this would be the glove, the Butcher. So let's see what we have to do. In this case, it has a power of 50 to 1, speed of 13, and so it is a pretty good glove, and we are going to be able to use it with the amount of 55,750 slaps. In this way, we are going to be able to use it. Also, something good within the update is that we are going to be able to use what are these codes. The code that is present right now is a code called Batches, so we are simply going to click on Redeem the code and we are going to be able to use it within our account. And the only requirement is that, as you can observe, we need to have a minimum of 1,000 slaps. In that way, we are going to redeem the code.